Thank you for tuning in to this segment of our recent workshop, 10 Things I Wish I Had Asked My Lawyer. In the next video, George will answer the question, how much money can I give away this year without being zapped by the IRS? Enjoy the viewing.
A few years ago, when the annual gift exclusion was $10,000, we had a client in his 80s that was facing a taxable estate. Came to us in October one year, and we looked at the options. The client had 4 children, each of them was married, and in a remarkable structural organizational feat, each child had 4 children. So 16 grandchildren, 4 children, and spouses, 24 beneficiaries. At the time, the annual gift exclusion was $10,000 a year. In December of that year and January of the following year, we were able to set aside $240,000 in each of those years, so $480,000 free of the estate tax system under the annual gift exclusion, saving $216,000 in estate taxes. We did that again the next available year, a December-January gift, and saved another $216,000 in taxes, $432,000 in tax savings. Go ahead, Larry. We are in an extraordinary period right now. We have, in addition to the annual gift exclusion, which is now $13,000 per donee per year, we have a $5 million gift exclusion. The $5 million that we had last year has been indexed for inflation, so this year we have the ability to gift $5,120,000. This is a period where anyone who has a taxable estate needs to consider the options because they're going to disappear on December 31st. Okay. The gift exemption can be used many ways, but let me show you just the simplest example of the use of the annual gift exclusion, a $5 million gift or $5,120,000 gift, which is placed into a trust, removed from the estate tax system, and we're going to apply a simple appreciation rate of 4% a year. Now, everyone in this room has, over long periods of time, received a return greater than 4% a year, but we're going to model this with 4% a year. Now, if you look at the numbers on the left side of this chart, you see that $5,120,000 over 30 years grows to $16,217,000, 4% a year appreciation every year. If an estate tax applies after 30 years, the estate tax will be almost $9 million, and the heirs will receive $7,300,000. If you look at the right side, the illustration on the right side, you see what happens if you don't have an estate tax. The same $5,120,000 grows to $16,217,000 in 30 years. Without an estate tax, the heirs receive $16,217,000. The simple application of the gift exemption in 2012 will save the heirs in this scenario almost $9 million. The gifting in its simplest form is an extraordinary planning technique this year. We can also use the gift exemption in other ways. For example, we can use it as seed capital to remove the appreciation that will be realized in business assets from a family's estate. So you can use this gift exemption to provide seed capital for a transaction involving a business interest, and you can remove all of the future appreciation. You can also use this gift exemption to pay life insurance premiums and place an insurance policy in a trust that will forever be outside of the estate tax system. Multiple generations can benefit from an insurance policy outside of the estate tax system. Every situation is different, but everyone with a taxable estate should look at the opportunities. Now, my wife and I, for example, incredibly healthy except for that broken arm thing in 1997. Magnetic, charismatic person. My wife and I can buy a $12 million insurance policy for $1 million of premium. So before 2011, we would have had difficulty paying the premium for that insurance policy. This year, we can gift $1 million to a trust, solves the insurance premium payment problem. $12 million will then grow after the policy funds outside of the estate tax system for the benefit of my children and grandchildren.
We hope you enjoyed that video segment. Other questions that were answered at a recent workshop can be located on our website at our Education and Resources page. Our website address is www.mendenfryman.com.
For additional information about these topics or our firm, please contact us through our website or call our office at 770-379-1450. We look forward to hearing from you.